Are your spinach yields stuck below 20 quintals per acre? Many farmers face this challenge, seeing tough leaves and low market prices. This means losing out on significant income potential, especially with a crop as valuable as spinach. You might be missing key steps that could double your harvest and profit. In this video, we will show you a complete package of practice for spinach. You will learn about ideal climate and soil conditions, selecting the best varieties, precise sowing methods, effective nutrient management, and how to achieve multiple harvests of high-quality leaves. By following these precise guidelines, you can significantly boost your output. Imagine achieving 100 to 150 quintals per hectare, consistently producing tender, dark green spinach. This approach promises not just higher yields, but also better market prices and a substantial increase in your farming income. Spinach thrives in cool weather, with ideal growth occurring between 15 to 25 degrees Celsius. Understanding this temperature range is crucial for a successful crop. When temperatures rise above 30 degrees Celsius, spinach plants can prematurely bolt, meaning they flower too early. This leads to bitter-tasting leaves and significantly reduces the quality and market value of your harvest. Maintaining the correct temperature window ensures tender, palatable leaves. For optimal growth, spinach requires a specific environment beyond just temperature. It needs 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight daily to develop strong, healthy leaves. Combining this with cool weather conditions, especially during the main sowing season from September to November, helps prevent bolting. These conditions support vigorous leaf development, which is exactly what we want for a high-quality spinach crop. The right soil is fundamental for healthy spinach. It prefers well-drained, fertile sandy loam to clay loam soils. These soil types provide the necessary structure for root development and nutrient uptake. The ideal pH range for spinach is slightly acidic to neutral, specifically between 6.0 and 7.0. It is crucial to avoid saline soils, as they can hinder spinach growth and reduce yield significantly. Knowing the correct sowing time for spinach ensures you harvest during peak demand and avoid high temperatures. The main season for sowing is from September to November, allowing for a winter harvest when demand is strong. For a spring crop, sow your seeds between February and March. If you plan to cultivate during the monsoon, sow in July or August, but ensure you have proper drainage to prevent waterlogging. For successful sowing, the seed rate is 10 to 15 kilograms per hectare. Sow seeds directly in rows that are 20 to 30 centimeters apart, maintaining a plant-to-plant spacing of 5 to 10 centimeters. The sowing depth should be 1 to 1.5 centimeters. Planting deeper can lead to poor germination. After sowing, lightly cover the seeds with soil to ensure good seed-to-soil contact and protect them. Selecting the right spinach variety is vital for maximizing yield and ensuring disease resistance in your specific region. High-yielding varieties are designed to produce more foliage and offer better resilience against common local pathogens. Choosing appropriate seeds for your agroclimatic zone will significantly impact the overall health, productivity, and profitability of your spinach cultivation. Among the recommended varieties for Indian farmers, Pusa Jyoti is a high-yielding option known for its dark green leaves and suitability for multiple cuttings. Another excellent choice is Pusa Harit, which is fast-growing, dark green, and performs well in plains. All Green is a popular, quick-growing variety that shows tolerance to some diseases. Consider these to ensure a robust and productive crop. Beyond these, many private seed companies offer high-yielding hybrid varieties specifically developed for various regional conditions across India. These hybrids often provide enhanced yield potential and better adaptation to local challenges. When selecting your seeds, focus on varieties known for high yield and good disease resistance to ensure profitable harvest. Proper land preparation involves 2 to 3 deep plowings, followed by harrowing to achieve a fine tilth and break down any soil clods. During the last plowing, incorporate 20 to 25 tons per hectare of well-decomposed farmyard manure or compost. This organic matter enriches the soil, improves its structure, and significantly enhances its water-holding capacity, which is crucial for spinach growth. For optimal nutrient management, apply a basal dose at the time of sowing. This includes 40 kilograms of nitrogen per hectare, which can be supplied by approximately 85 kilograms of urea. Also, Apply 40 kilograms of phosphorus, P2O5, per hectare, equivalent to about 250 kilograms of single superphosphate. Finally, add 30 kilograms of potassium, K2O, per hectare, which is around 50 kilograms of muriate of potash. After each cutting, it is essential to top dress your spinach crop to promote vigorous regrowth and maintain high yields. Apply an additional 20 kilograms of nitrogen per hectare, which translates to approximately 45 kilograms of urea. This regular nutrient boost ensures that the plants have sufficient resources to produce new, tender leaves for subsequent harvests, maximizing your overall output. Spinach requires consistent moisture throughout its growth cycle. Immediately after sowing, give a light irrigation to ensure good germination. During the main growth phase, irrigate every 4 to 7 days, adjusting based on your specific soil type and prevailing weather conditions. It is crucial to avoid waterlogging, as this can lead to root rot and severely damage your crop. After each cutting, provide another light irrigation to support new leaf development. Effective weed management is critical because weeds compete intensely with spinach for nutrients, water, and sunlight, directly reducing your potential yield. Perform 1 to 2 manual weedings within 15 to 20 days of sowing and again after the first cutting. Additionally, using organic mulches such as straw or dry leaves can help suppress weed growth and also aids in retaining essential soil moisture. Spinach is typically ready for its first harvest just 25 to 30 days after sowing. At this stage, the leaves are tender and large enough for market. To harvest, use a sharp knife or sickle to cut the outer leaves about 2 to 3 centimeters above the ground. This method allows the plant to regrow, enabling you to get multiple cuttings. You can expect 4 to 6 cuttings at intervals of 10 to 15 days, depending on the variety and growing conditions. Achieving high-quality produce with tender, dark green leaves is a primary goal for better market appeal. Timely harvesting, precisely 25 to 30 days after sowing, is crucial. Delayed harvesting can lead to tough, bitter leaves that are less desirable to consumers and also reduces the plant's potential for robust regrowth for subsequent cuttings. Always aim for tender leaves to maximize your market value. Many common mistakes can impact your spinach yield. One major error is poor soil preparation. Insufficient organic matter or clumpy soil hinders root development and nutrient absorption. Another mistake is neglecting weeds. Allowing weeds to outcompete spinach for resources like nutrients and sunlight will drastically reduce your crop's growth and overall yield. Addressing these points is vital for success. Adopting this comprehensive package of practice for spinach offers significant benefits. It leads to substantially increased yields, typically 100 to 150 quintals per hectare, ensuring a higher output. You also achieve better quality produce with tender, dark green leaves that fetch premium market prices. This translates directly into higher income and a more profitable and sustainable farming venture. Please like this video, share it with fellow farmers, and subscribe to the AgriPlus channel.